Welcome back to Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of videos, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X-T4. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the X-T4 features an AF on button, and then it's very useful when we're shooting and in tracking continuous autofocus. So we're just going to take a look at a few different settings. So first, the AF on button is right here. And then usually people that like to use the AF on button don't like to have the shutter AF, just like so. So if you see right now, I'm half pressing the shutter and then it's focusing. Now, if we want to disable that, we're just simply go into the menu and then to the wrench icon, the button and dial setting. And then we're going to go to shutter AF. And then we can choose for AFS and AFC. So let's just turn AFC off. And then now when I half press on the shutter, it actually won't focus. So let's put the camera to AFC and then half pressing the shutter won't focus. The only thing it's doing now is the auto exposure. And then I press AF on and then I have my focus. And then it continuously focuses. And then I can take a picture. Just like that. Speaking of continuous autofocus, we can actually customize the way the continuous autofocus will behave. So if we go into the menu to the AF/MF section and then AFC Custom Settings, we have different presets on how the AFC will behave. So you can quickly choose according to your situation. Or you can actually tone it yourself and play with the different settings. So there you go, a couple tips on how to use the AF on button and then customize your AFC settings.